G'day folks, Steve from Vintage Restorations Australia here. In this episode we take this little Series 1 Land Rover on a coastal adventure to Mystery Bay. In the truck. Good girl. You gonna come camping? We're in the Landy today and we're heading off up the coast a bit. We're going for a couple of days camping up in Mystery Bay. Beautiful spot. Got the dogs and camping kit in the back. We'll be up there for 2 days. My wife's taking the other car because this is the first long trip for this. It's a bit of a hot day today, so just a bit of a backup. We're taking the other car. See how she goes on a longer run. Just getting a bit of fuel. Not sure what the range of this is, but I'm going to fill up a jerry can just in case. I think it's about 80 or 90 k's up to where we're going, so we'll see how we run. We'll stop in Bermagui and get more fuel. Doesn't take long to get out of town when you live in a country town. That's it. The way we're going to go today is up and over the coastal ranges, back down the other side onto an area called Tanja, Wapango, and then we're going to cruise up through the coastal forest, the southeast forest, to little township of Bermagui. Then from Bermagui up through Wallaga Lake, back onto the highway briefly, and then down to Mystery Bay, south of Narooma. Gravel road. Bit of a lug up this mountain, so she's a little bit warm, but it's gone over the top of the mountain. She's got a bit warm going up there, but it's cooling down now. Kind of run along the coast there now, sort of coming out here at Barraga Bay. It's a lovely spot. Oops, must go and find a grinder. This is Cudagy Beach. Dogs are enjoying themselves. we go, we made it to Bermagui. Stopped to get some fish and chips. What do you think, girls? Fish and chips for lunch? You gotta stay in the car. Oh, hello, fish and chips. Those little beauties. Oh. A road trip when you get to have gelato by the seaside. Highway. We've only got to go up this about, I reckon about 6 or 7 kilometres, then we're turning off to Mystery Bay. Stunning spot down here. Get her out on the open road, she screams along. Calling that for top speed. Screaming along the highway. Frightening. Here we are, Mystery Bay. So here we are, Mystery Bay. There's a few people around. Anyway, dogs are pleased to be out of the car. That's the ocean out there. This is where we're going to camp for a couple of days. One little adventure, I managed to drop a knife while I was unpacking. That went straight through my safety thongs, got me in the toe. So that's a bit bound up. I have to keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't get all festy. Fast separatist chicken, chorizo chicken, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, orange, capsicum, coriander, rice, stock, and some green beans on the side. Meg's made a bit of self-saucing pudding here. Davey's digging the coals out. Made a little oven. I reckon that's pretty good.
Sometime we should try making damper.
Yeah. But that relies on good coals too.
Yeah.
Look at that! Chocolate, self-saucing pudding, a little bit of yogurt. Slept like a beauty. Hello.
Lay down. Lay down. We're sleeping now.
Sit. Sit.
That's it. We can go.
There. Now relax.
Well, there we go, a couple of days camping, so we're all loaded up, ready to go again. The long road home. It's not that long, but it's a bit slow. Just stopped in Bermagui for a little bit of lunch. A little Austin running around town. Historic plates, lovely little thing. Gum forest, just north of Tafra now. Quite beautiful, these gum forests. Focus on the gears. Come, Marley. This is Mogarika, just north of Tafra. Beautiful little spot where the Bega River enters the sea. There, as the sign says, Bega River. Ocean out there, river out there. Just stopped here, lovely Tafra pub for a beer by the sea and watch the whales. Gorgeous spot, great pub. Come and see some live music here from time to time, and I play here quite often. Anyway, it's also a great spot to sit and watch the whales go by. Well, there's a lot of whales out there today. A bit like splash spotting really, you don't get to see many whales, you get to see a lot of splashes though and little black blobs in the ocean. We're back in Bega Valley, on the road home from Tafra to my place. Very familiar. Well, as you can see, I made it home with no misadventure whatsoever. The little car did that 200 kilometre odd round trip without any problems whatsoever, so I'm pretty pleased about that. It's a slow and steady trip in the Landy, but that's part of the joy of driving them. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thanks to those who have. We really do appreciate you following the channel. Thanks as always to our patrons for their continued financial support. We really do appreciate that, and it keeps the channel going and allows us to produce this free content. I guess that's it for the week. So until next week, we'll see you folks. Take care of yourselves and look after each other if you can. Bye.